Marlon Matano, Sir Daniel Enriquez, Direct Emmy, Kenny Emerson, Sir Bobby Matillas, Sir Efren De La Serra, Oliver Rospen, Oliver Garvin of PCCI, and Sir Dolby Pedraza, the MIS head of Antipolo. Ladies and gentlemen, creative professionals, students, partners from the academe, and esteemed guests, good day. It is a distinct honor to welcome you all to our city as we celebrate the Philippine Creative Industries Month through the Likha Digital Creative Roadshow. Antipolo is known nationwide as the pilgrimage capital of the Philippines. As history, faith, and culture converge. But beyond our religious and cultural identity, Antipolo is also emerging as a dynamic hub for creativity, tourism, and digital innovation, making it the perfect stage for this celebration of artistry and digital opportunities. The digital creative industries, animation, game development, content creation, and other technology are more than just sources of entertainment. They are engines of employment, innovation, and economic growth. Harnessing these industries in Antipolo and Rizal Province means creating livelihood opportunities for our youth, empowering freelancers and startups, expanding the city's revenue basis. This in turn allows us to channel more resources into essential social services, including education, healthcare, housing, and community development, thereby ensuring that creativity not only inspires but also sustains people. We are proud that the University of Rizal System has established an animation program and studio serving as a springboard for aspiring animators and digital storytellers. This initiative connects our local talent with the global creative economy, enabling them to compete internationally while showcasing Filipino ingenuity. It is an example of how education, technology, and culture intersect to create opportunities for substantial development. The planned Antipolo City ICT Development Ordinance, which we're working on now, and it's being refined and fine-tuned by our Secretariat and City Legal Office, complements this vision here by laying down a strategic framework for digital transformation. It institutionalizes support for connectivity, e-governance, cybersecurity, and workforce development. These are pillars that also strengthen the creative ecosystem. By integrating technology into governance and daily life, Antipolo aspires to become not only a smart city, but also a creative city, where digital talent and cultural heritage thrive side by side. As we celebrate this occasion, let me emphasize that the future of Antipolo and Rizal lies in collaboration. Government, private sector, academe, and creative professionals must work hand in hand to build an ecosystem that nurtures digital creatives, supports innovation, and ensures that the benefits of growth are widely shared. To all the young creators, animators, and innovators present today, we see you as partners in progress. Your ideas, skills, and creativity are vital in shaping not only the industries of tomorrow, but also the communities we envision today, resilient, sustainable, and inclusive. With that, we warmly welcome you all to Antipolo City and hope that this roadshow inspires us to unlock the boundless potential of the creative industries in our region. May this gathering fuel our collective journey toward making Calabarzon region a beacon of creativity, innovation, and sustainable development. Maraming salamat, mapabuhay ang malikhaing Pilipino.
Thank you so much, Sir Lorenzo, for that heartfelt message. And at this point, I'd like to ask you to remain on stage as we will now be awarding your certificate. I'd also like to invite Attorney Cuyo, Direk Emmy, Councilor Gatlabayan, and Ms. Marlene to the stage as well to accompany Sir Councilor Sumulong for the awarding of the certificates. Allow us to lead the citation. This certificate of appreciation is hereby awarded to Councilor Lorenzo Juan Y. Sumulong III in grateful appreciation of his outstanding contribution, dedication, and commitment which significantly contributed to the success of Lakbay Likha, the Digital Creative Roadshow, presented this 29th day of September 2025 at Antipolo Sports Hall, Antipolo City, Rizal. The certificate was signed by Director Emilio V. Delfin, Director 4 of the ICT Industry Development Bureau.